Namaste friends, this is Bindu Kumar here. Let's solve this question together. In the following arithmetic progressions, find the missing terms in the boxes. So here we have the value of A1 as -4, A2, A3, A4 and A5 are unknown values, and finally we have A6 equal to 6. Okay, so now we'll see how to find out the value of the four terms A2, A3, A4 and A5. So as always, we will start by writing down what we know. We have -4, we have A2, we have A3, A4, A5 and we have the value of 6. Okay, now to be able to find the values, first let's write down what is the formula for an arithmetic progression. So a set of numbers, let's say A1, A2, A3 are said to be in arithmetic progression if they are of the form A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. So here you can see they have already mentioned that it is an arithmetic progression, right? So we can assume that these numbers follow these principles, right? So let's apply these formulas here. So the first number is -4, which is nothing but A. So we can write A equals -4. I'll just draw a line here, and then we have A2. So we can write A2 equals A plus D. Okay, because as you can see here, A2 equals A plus D. Now similarly, we can derive the formula for the rest of the numbers. A3 equals A plus 2D. A4 equals A plus 3D. A5 equals A plus 4D. Finally, A6 equals A plus 5D. Now let's start substituting the values for this. So A equal to -4, there is nothing more to do. So we don't have to do calculate anything here. We will proceed to A2. A2, the value is unknown. So A2 equal to the value of A is -4. So we can write -4 plus D. Similarly, A3 equals -4 plus 2D. A4 equals -4 plus 3D. A5 equals -4. Let me write it again. A5 equals -4 plus 4D. And finally we have A6. We know the value of A6 as 6. We can write 6 equals -4 plus 5D. So now we have how many equations? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 equations, right? We have 6 equations that we can try and simplify, but we will pick only one to begin with. Okay, so how do we find out which equation to solve? Pretty simple. Okay, so let me take my red pen and I'll start looking from second equation onwards, because the first equation is already solved, right? Second equation, do I know the value of A2? No. There is also one more unknown value here, which is D. So similarly, I'll start marking out all the unknown values here in each of the equation. So you see, the three equations have at least one unknown value, right? So we don't know A5, we don't know value of D. In fact, we don't know the value of D in anything, right? But when it comes to the last equation, there is only one unknown, right? The rest of the values we know. So what that means is we can now find the value of D in the last equation that is here. Okay, so let's start with that. So we'll write 6 equal to minus 4 plus 5d. I want to find the value of d. So first I'm going to remove this minus 4. So how will I do that? I will do that by balancing the equation. So I'll write 6 equals minus 4 plus 5d. Now I want to get rid of minus 4. So I'll do plus 4 here. Now whatever we do on the right hand side should also be repeated on the left hand side. So we remove minus 4 plus 4. They cancel out each other. We are left with 6 plus 4 equal to 10 equals 5d. Now similarly, I want to remove 5. So how can I do that? I will divide by 5. So what we'll do, we'll say 5d into 1 by 5, and we will also do the division on the left hand side of the equation. So here 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. 10 divided by 5 will give me 2. So which is equal to 2 equals d, or in other words d equals 2. Okay, so now we have identified the value of d, which is the common difference. Now that we found the value of d, we can start substituting this value in the rest of the equations. Okay, so let's start with a2. So a2 equals minus 4 plus 2. a2 equals minus 2. Next a3. a3 equals minus 4 plus 2 into 2. a3 equals minus 4 plus 4. a3 equals 0. Next, a4 equals minus 4 plus 3 into 2. a4 equals minus 4 plus 6. a4 equals 2. Then the last one, a5 equals minus 4 plus 4 into 2. a5 equals minus 4 plus 8. a5 equals 4. Okay, so with this we can write the answers. So let me clean up the question here, and we will write the answers in the boxes that have been given. So the value of a2 is minus 2. The value of a3 is 0. The value of a4 is 2. And the value of a5 is 4. Okay. So the answer is minus 2, 0, 2, and 4. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Remember to like, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified of new videos.